everybody, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification.
Dear students, I am Dr. D.C. Chaparao, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree and PG College, Mowa, Krishna District. Now I am going to explain the concept of distinguish between cost accounting and management accounting. In this video, I will explain what is cost accounting and what are the definitions given by various institutions for cost accounting, and what is management accounting and definitions for management accounting, and the differences between these two are going to discuss now. At the end of this video, you are able to know all these points, means what is cost accounting, what is management accounting, and what are the differences between these two are able to know at the end of this video, my dear students. Now we'll see the concept of cost accounting. Cost accounting. Cost accounting refers to the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, allocating and analyzing different alternative measures to control costs. It means cost accounting refers to the process of recording how the costs are recorded in the cost books, and classifying, summarizing means various costs are to be summarized at a separate point, and allocation and analysis, costs are divided into fixed cost and variable cost, and production cost and service cost. All these costs are to be allocated among various departments for measure the cost, means how much cost incurred for the production of a particular item. That is the main motive of the costing, my dear students. Its purpose is, means cost accounting purpose is to guide the management on how control costs effectively and maximize productivity. So cost accounting is going to give some guidelines or some advice to the management how the cost is to be effectively minimized and how the productivity is to be maximized. In this way, cost accounting is going to give some guidance to the management, my dear students. It provides detailed information of the costs that needs to be focused and find out the alternative course of action to control the cost in future. My dear students, cost accounting provide detailed information of the cost that needs to be focused, where the focus is concentrated, where the management is concentrated, means how the costs are to be minimized, in which way the costs are to be decreased or controlled. In such a way, information is provided by the cost to the management, my dear students. Now we'll see the definition for cost accounting. The Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, England has defined cost accounting as the process of accounting for cost from the point of which expenditure is incurred or committed to establish of its ultimate relationship with cost centers and cost units. In its widest usage, it embraces the preparation of statistical data, the application of cost control methods, and the ascertainment of profitability of activity carried or planned. So this is the definition given by the Certified Institute of Management Accountants, England, to cost accounting, my dear students. Now we'll see about the management accounting. Management accounting. Management accounting is also known as managerial accounting. Managerial accounting, and can be defined as a process of providing financial information and resources to managers in decision making. Cost accounting refers for recording of cost information, but whereas management accounting refers, it provides financial information and resources to the managers for decision making. Whenever management is required to take a decision, that required or that concerned decision is to be taken by the management based on the information provided by management accounting. Management accounting is only used by the internal team of organization, and this is the only thing which makes it different from financial accounting. Financial accounting. Dear students, financial accounting is useful for the internal persons and external persons, but where the management accounting is used for only internal team of the organization, means inside persons of the company. It means simply it is useful to the management only. It is useful to the managerial persons only, not to the outsiders, my dear students. Next, management accounting definitions. Now we'll say the definitions for management accounting, my dear students. According to the Institute of Management Accountants, IMA, management accounting is a profession. It is a profession that involves pertaining in management decision making, devising, planning and performance management systems, and providing expertise in financial reporting and control to assist management in the formulation and implementation of an organization strategy. This is the definition given by Institute of Management Accountants to management accounting, my dear students. So now we will say various differences between these two accounts, means the differences between cost accounting and management accounting, my dear students. First, scope. The scope of cost accounting is limited to providing cost information. It concentrates on only costing information. But management accounting is broader than the cost accounting, as it provides all type of information. Whatever information requires to the management is simply provided by management accounting. But this facility is not available in cost accounting, my dear students. And emphasis. The main emphasis is on cost ascertainment and cost control. Cost accounting is concentrated on only ascertainment of cost and cost control, but management accounting main emphasis is planning, controlling and decision making to maximize profits. Means cost accounting concentrate on cost and determination of cost, whereas management accounting is emphasize on planning, controlling and decision making to maximize the profits, my dear students. Next, techniques employed means used. Techniques employed. Techniques used. In cost accounting, standard costing, variance analysis, marginal costing, and cost volume profit means CVP. CVP analysis, budgetary control, uniform costing, and interfirm comparison is generally used in cost accounting, dear students. Here we have standard costing. To prepare or to produce a particular item, how much amount is to be incurred based on the previous information or previous experiences. these standards are set aside. Variance analysis. When we compare the actual cost and standard cost or predetermined cost, if there is any increase or decrease, that increase or decrease is known as variance. For what purpose that variance was occurred, and what reason it was incurred in the company or it was incurred in the production department. So that type of variance also analyzed. Marginal costing, break even. CVP, at a particular point of sale, how much amount is to be incurred as expenditure, whether it may be fixed expenditure or variable expenditure. At that point, how much profit or loss may incurred. All these things are considered as CVP analysis, budgetary control. So these type of techniques are generally used in cost accounting. And management accounting, it is also used. All these techniques means whatever standard cost, variance analysis, all these techniques are used in cost accounting. But in addition to this, it also uses techniques like ratio analysis, funds flow statement, statistical analysis, operation research, and certain techniques from various branches of knowledge. So along with the techniques used in cost accounting, some more techniques also used in management accounting, my dear students. And evaluation. Evaluation of cost accounting is mainly due to the limitations of financial accounting. If there are no limitations in financial accounting, there is no need of evaluation of cost accounting, my dear students. And evaluation of management accounting is due to the limitations of cost accounting. If there are no limitations or no disadvantages in cost accounting, no need of evaluation of management accounting. Due to the limitations of cost accounting only, management accounting was evolved and developed, my dear students. Then installation. Cost accounting system can be installed without management accounting, but management accounting cannot be installed without a proper system of cost accounting. Means to install management accounting, cost accounting is need. It is essential. But to establish cost accounting, management accounting is not necessary, dear students. And statutory requirements. Maintenance of cost record has been made compulsorily, and selected industries as notified by the government from time to time. Means preparation of cost accounting or cost records are mandatory, compulsory as per the norms of government or as per the norms of Companies Act and income tax. But management accounting is usually voluntary, and it is used depend upon the utility of management. It is not essential. It is not compulsory. It is not mandatory as per the acts of the government. Simply, all these management accounting records are voluntarily according to the management of that particular company or owners of the particular company. These management accounting records are maintained or used, but it is not compulsory according to the Companies Act or Income Tax Act, my dear students. And database. It is based on data derived from financial accounting. Means cost accounting mainly based on the information provided or taken from financial accounting only. But management accounting, it is based on data derived from cost accounting, financial accounting, and other sources. Without cost accounting information and financial accounting information, it is not possible to prepare or it is not possible to take a decision in management accounting by any management of the company, my dear students. So, to take any kind of decision, any type of decision, they depend upon the information related to financial accounting and cost accounting and other resources, dear students. Finally, status in organization. In the organization setup, Cost accounting is placed at a lower level in hierarchy than the management accountant. Means cost accountant is lower when we compare the position or the hierarchy of management accounting in any organization, my dear students. And management accountant is generally placed at a higher level of hierarchy than the cost accountant. So cost accountant may be the lower level and management accounting is higher level. So in hierarchy, under the control of management accountants, this cost accountant may be worked or set up. So these are the various differences between cost accounting and management accounting, students. Till now, in this video, we have been discussed about the meaning and the definition of cost accounting, meaning and definition of management accounting, and different differences between these two accounts. Means differences between cost accounting and management accounting, my dear students. So with this, I am concluding this video.